Hello guys, welcome you back to another tutorials at Learn Digital Skills. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can compress a PDF file. So we are just going to quickly get started on how to do that. So you can open your browser and we are going to be using a website which is smallpdf.com. All right, so you can do well to open yours. Believing you have a PDF file, we are actually going to be bringing it down or stepping down. All right, so if I'm in now, from here you can merge, you can compress, you can annotate, you can edit text, split, and the rest of that. So now we want to see how we can compress. So all of these are just for PDFs. All right, so now let's compress. Then we are going to be selecting the file. All right, so now here is the basic, here is the strong way it can actually compress. So I'll just go ahead, since it's on the basic, I will use the basic and then I click on compress. So I'm going to see the file it's going to be compressing it to. So this is 413 KB to 59. All right, so you see that it has compressed it to this part. Then I can go ahead to download it. I can either export and share. All right, so I can now go ahead in downloading it and then I'm done compressing my PDF file. All right, so this is just how you can compress a PDF file. You can go ahead and do that on your own. So I'm going to be dropping this link in the description for easy access. All right, do not forget to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification because more and more tutorials are coming in.